Hello everyone. So this is the 2009 Toyota Sienna front wheel drive V6 3.5. I'm gonna be quite low bit so you can hear the noise coming from the front wheel bearing. So I can hear it very clear. Sometimes it gets very loud, but it's always the sound there, the noise of the wheel bearing. I'm not quite sure which one is like the left or right, but there are few ways to tell. You can lift up the van or the car, the vehicle, and then check for vibration. Spin the wheel, should make noises and stuff like that. And see, so basically the noise is always there, no matter, like, as soon as you drive at any speed, you can hear the noise. How to check it yourself, DIY methods to make sure which one is bad and need to be replaced. It's the best to tell, to hear the noise very well. It's like wobbling sound. If you drive at quite not too much cars in the road, see, now you can hear it. So especially if you don't press the gas a little bit, let the car just drive on idle for a little bit, and then see, and you can hear it nice and loud. And I think it's coming from the passenger side, right side. So if you hear this noise or wobbling sound in your vehicle, that's definitely the wheel bearing need to be replaced. There's other ways you can also check by lifting the vehicle, lift it up a little bit, lift it up, use and then try to shake the wheel. If it shakes bad, that's one sign it's bad bearing. Or you can spin it also. When it makes sound, that means it's bad. This is a 2009 Toyota Sienna front wheel drive. It has a noise when I drive. I think one of the wheel bearing, maybe both front wheel bearing need to be replaced. And then so we're gonna have to quick check this. I lift up the car, as you see. I use one jack over there, and the other side also, both sides you know, and then one in this side. Okay, now this one maybe needs to be lifted up a little bit. So when we do this, make sure that the emergency brake is on, and press the emergency brake is on. Use any block under the tires, you know, just for safety. Now we're gonna put the on neutral. So put the key in, press the brake, and then go to neutral, turn it off, just like that. Now that's a neutral here. So now it's ready to check the wheel. We're gonna spin it by hand, and let's see the driver's side. So here's how you can check the wheel bearing, if it's bad. Or I can hear the noise in the beginning of the video. You can hear the noise too. It's coming from the front. Let's shake it. If there is any loose, or no, nothing about the top and bottom, nothing. Let's spin it. This side looks good. There is no shaking or looseness from left to right, bottom to top. Everything is good. When I spin it, I don't hear like kind of a normal noise or something. Let's do the other side. Okay, same thing. Start from left to right. Okay, not bad. How about the top and bottom? There's a little bit I can, just tiny little bit, but let's spin it. Okay, this one is bad. See, when I spin it, I hear noise. Let's spin it again. I hear noise. I think this one is bad. So left passenger side wheel bearing need to be replaced. The other way you can check, you can start the engine. Be careful, someone has to sit in the car and let the wheel spin slowly. We're gonna do this right away. Okay, so start the engine, then put it on drive, slowly release the brake, the wheel will spin. You hear the noise? Go check it. See, it's on idle, but the wheel both are spinning. RPM, just everything normal on the drive, and the RPM below 1000. See, the wheel is spinning slowly. I don't hear anything bad in this one. This side looks good, the driver side wheel. Let's check the other one. We're gonna press gas just tiny little bit, because I don't, now it's quiet, right? Let's press gas a little bit. More. Yeah, I hear the sound coming from this side, but I don't hear nothing here. Press the gas a little bit. Okay, good. Can you press the gas for about 1500? Okay, good. Okay, now. Okay. Okay. Good. Brake. Brake. You don't hear like, let's see if I spin it by hand. I don't know how, like, because now we lift the car, there's no weight on the wheel. There's like a little bit weight on the wheel, so the bearing, it may not show any bad symptoms because there's no weight. But when we drive, we can definitely hear not like loud, noisy wheel bearing making terrible sound. It's like woo woo woo, something like that. Woo 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 woo. That's how the sounds like. But this is kind of another way you can check yourself if the wheel bearing is bad. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this van to a mechanic to replace that side at least. It costs about $300 each. Wheel bearing costs about $300, labor and supplies, labor and parts. All right, thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time.